Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising. Today we're going to be doing a balcony room tour on the Carnival Breeze. All right, guys. So this is our room. It has a couch and a little coffee table. Came with some towels. We do have a full-size bed, and then the balcony. Now there are some cabinets along the bedside here on either side. There are no outlets though around the bed. You also have the light switches, and then the main light for all the lights in the cabin. We do have a balcony out here. We have decided we like balcony cruising.
What's this we?
So we do have the balcony, and it does have the two chairs and the table. Typical balcony. I did notice, though, that they have put new signs on the balcony doors. There is a $500 fine if you get caught smoking on the balcony. So we've never seen this on the doors before. I've always seen this one, but never this one. So they're cracking down on the smoking on the balconies. So just pay attention to that. So over here, we do have the TV. And here, a refrigerator. I know the last couple cruises Chris has taken, there hasn't been a refrigerator. So we do have the refrigerator. Eventually it will open. There we go. Opening it on the wrong side. Oh, this one's still pretty new. It's got all the tape on it.
Oh, that's interesting. So we got a brand new fridge.
Yeah, it still has all the tape. So there are drawers here. We do have two outlets right here. And then the mirror lamp. And here we do have the safe. So if you need to tuck anything important away, some shelving and cabinets. We have drawers here for packing, a hair dryer. And then in the cabinets, that's all shelving for your clothing and a full-length mirror, ladies. Full-length mirror so you can check yourself out. Make sure your outfit looks right. And then some hanging space and your life jackets. And some more hanging space and some more life jackets. And then last but not least, the bathroom. So in the bathroom here, you do have the shower, the clothesline, and somebody left us some clothespins for the clothesline. That was nice. Of course, it's got the soap dispenser and the shampoo dispenser, and the shower curtain that likes to attack everybody. The towels, the mirror that comes out, and then some shelving. No hidden cabinets in the bathroom this time, so it's pretty normal sized cabin bathroom. So this cabin is, like I said, a balcony cabin on the 7th floor.
Room 7368.
Room 7368.
All right, everybody. So that is going to be the room tour here for 7368 on the Carnival Breeze. I wanted to have Tiffany do it today, kind of show you guys around, get her a little more involved in the ship tours and the room videos and stuff like that. So like she said, though, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Where you keep up to date with all of these really important cruise videos. You don't want to miss anything, especially when we are out here cruising. But hope everyone has themselves a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.